Hi, we are in part 2 of the subject Visa in Korea. And today we will discuss about visa types and some related information. So let's dive in directly to the visa types. And feel free to pause the video if you want to see in more detailed information the different types. But basically what I would like to mention is each type has their own category. As you can see, this is the categories, the different categories that we have. So each category has its own letter. Also within the category itself, let's say E, that's the employment category, we have different numbers which represent different visa types. So if you're an English teacher, you will have an E2 visa. However, if you are a designated professional, let's say a marketing manager or finance analyst, IT, you will have your E7 visa. Now each visa category and type will have different documents that we need to apply. So based on your profession and your visa type, you will be required for different documents. To give you an example, in E7 visa, which is designated professional, we have many professions that go under this category. So you can be from an IT industry, or you can be from the finance industry, you can be a sales professional. So each different role will have different documents. In that case, you need to make sure what are the documents that you need to provide in order to apply for your visa. Another thing that the Korean government is currently working on is changing the visa process into point system, which can make it easier to get the visas. Currently, it's not every visa, but I do want to give you an example of how it looks like. This is basically the F2, the resident visa point system. And as you can see, there are different points based on different categories. So we have age category, or the level of education, our Korean language ability, and each category within it has different points. So basically for F2 visa, we need 80 points out of possible 120 points. And for D10 visa, which is job-seeking visa, we need to have at least 60 points when we have 20 points of the basic criteria, which based on age and education. So this is how the point system goes. And again, this is just a reference for the F2 visa. The D10 visa has different system out of 180 points. Now, another way that we can gather those points, or another way that we can get those points, is by joining a KIP, which means Korean Immigration and Integration Program. And it operates through the year, but there are different times that we can register. Now we can register to this program online, and this is the website. So this is the website, and I will also put the link for this website in the board tab below. As you can see, this website supports only Korean currently. But in order to get the KIP program, this is the tab for the program, and you will have to log in or register. So those simple things has their English translation, but this is the program that you need if you would like to apply for the KIP program and get points for your visa. This is the end of part 2. In the next part, we will cover possible limitations that we will have based on our visa type. So join me in part 3.